Yes, I think by now the entire country is aware that there has been a catastrophic situation in Kerala, and it's heartbreaking to see the kind of devastation that the state is going through. It is scary to see that something like this can happen to humanity. Kerala is a beautiful state. The people of Kerala are absolutely wonderful, and I think everybody is concerned and everybody wants to do whatever that they can. Um, and yeah, our thoughts and prayers are with everybody there, and it's going to take a while for the state to recover and for the people to recover, and everybody should do whatever they can in their own capacity. They must.
Towards the people in Kerala, yes, of course. I think it's not just Bollywood, it's the entire country that's come together to support, people that have really suffered with great calamity in Kerala. And I'm pretty sure that everybody, regardless of what is their income group, जो भी दे सकते हैं, everybody's been helping, everybody's been contributing, and if you haven't yet, I would really urge you to please contribute whatever it is that you can. I think it's really important as a country to be able to come to the aid of anybody from your own country that's a citizen that's in need.